Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney, the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai driving licenses, and specifically we're discussing the notarized letter associated therewith. And what do we mean? Well, here in the kingdom, those foreigners, specifically I'm talking about Americans in this video, Americans who are seeking a driving license, they can do it one of two ways. They can seek it based on issuance of a prior license. For example, I had a driving license issued here in the kingdom based on the issuance of my license back in the United States. Or that individual can apply directly and just go through the tests and exams here in the kingdom and go ahead and obtain a driving license here in the kingdom that way. If one has a prior license that's unexpired and still valid, it's usually a little bit easier to get their driving license because there are fewer tests involved. That being said, in either case, the Department of Land Transport here in the kingdom, which is sort of akin to the DMV or the Department of Motor Vehicles back in the United States, that body is going to require a document from the U.S. Embassy certifying various things about that individual, including their address. That document is going to need to be translated and legalized into Thai, but it's like sort of a root document associated with getting a driving license. So the thing to take away from this video is that is possible to get from the U.S. Embassy. It needs to be notarized by the U.S. Embassy and then subsequently legalized and translated by the authorities here in the kingdom. Subsequent to that, one can then go apply for a Thai driving license with or without an unexpired license from the United States. And, you know, it's a fairly time-consuming, if straightforward endeavor. I've been through it myself. The Department of Land Transport, unfortunately, has a heavy backlog, but it can be done, and the U.S. Embassy does issue notarized documentation pertaining to this issue for issuance of a driving license.